Strictly follow timetable and discuss all topic after study with all, including me. Otherwise, I will understand that you have not followed a timetable and not studied. Strictly follow timetable, discuss all topic after study with all, including me. Otherwise, I will understand that you have not followed timetable and not studied. Strictly follow timetable, discuss all topic after study with all including me. Otherwise, I will understand that you have not followed timetable and not studied. Environmental studies, introductory microeconomics, introductory microeconomics, mathematical methods for economics 2, mathematical method for economics 1, English communication skills, general psychology, governance issues and challenges, English, Hindi, maths, science, social science, artificial intelligence, Dushyant, English, Hindi, math, science, social science, political science, history, geography, Sanskrit, GK, computer, Lakshmi. English, Hindi, math, science, GK, social studies, computer, German, Nitish. English, Hindi, math, science, social science, Japanese, computer, GK, Uma. English, Hindi, math, environmental studies, EVS, GK and computer, Saraswati. English, Hindi, math, EVS, GK, Harshita. English, Hindi, math, EVS, Priya. Saraswati Chaudhary performance profile 2020-21. Part 1 midterm, PA2 annual term, overall. Subject English. English, listening skills, speaking skills, reading skills, writing skills, class interaction and notebook project Hindi. Listening skills, speaking skills, reading skills, writing skills, project, class interaction and notebook. Mathematics, testing of mathematical concepts, tables, class activity, project work, mental ability, class interaction and notebook. EBS, testing of concepts, global outlook and scientific temper, application skills, class activity, project work, class interaction and notebook. Computer is skill theory, class interaction, notebook. General knowledge and mental aptitude. Co-scholastic area. Attendance term 1 136 202, term 2 140 226. Co-scholastic areas physical fitness, music, dance, art and craft, art appreciation, creativity and skills, art integration, personal traits area regularity and punctuality in blended classes, participation in online class activities, involvement in collaborative activities, follow rules and regulation of blended classes, attentiveness and feedback during online classes, personal hygiene and etiquettes, logical and creative thinking, remarks. Saraswati is capable of singing more brightly with a higher level of dedications towards studies. She need to do regular revision of concepts taught in the class. Let the hard work take you to success. Class teacher, headmistress, principal. Key for marks to grade conversion. A plus 85 to 100%, A 75 to 84%, B plus 65 to 74%, B 55 to 55 to 64%, C 40 to 54% average, D 0 to 40% scope for improvement. A plus 85 to 100% outstanding, A 75 to 84% excellent, B plus 65 to 74% very good, B 55 to 64% good, C 40 to 54% average, D 0 to 40% scope for improvement. Uma Chaudhary. Subject English, listening skills, speaking skills, reading skills, writing skills, class interaction, notebook, reading project, Hindi. Listening skill, speaking skill, reading skills, writing skills, class interaction, notebook, reading project. Mathematics, testing of mathematical concepts, mental ability, open door assessments, tables, class activity, project work, class interaction, notebook. Science, testing of concept, environmental sensitivity, application skills, class activity, project work, class interaction, notebook, social science, testing of concept, global outlook, application skills, class activity, project work, class interaction, notebook. Computer skill, theory, class interaction, notebook. Japanese listening skills, speaking skills, reading skills, writing skills, class interaction, notebook. Project, general knowledge and mental aptitude. Attendance term 124 202, term 2 176 226. Co scholastic scholastic areas: physical fitness, music, dance, art and craft, appreciation art appreciation, creativity and skills, art integration. Personal traits area: regularity and punctuality in blend classes, participation in online classes activities, involvement in collaborative activities, follow rules and regulation of blended classes, attentiveness and feedback during online classes, personal hygiene and antiquities, logical and creative thinking. Remarks. Term 1. Uma is capable child who is yet to make the optimum use of her potential. A little a little reinforcement will help her climb the ladder of success. Work hard and achieve new heights. Term 2. Uma is promising child with a lot of potential. Her overall class performance has been satisfactory. Aim higher. Grade A plus 85 to 100%, outstanding A 75 to 84%, excellent B plus 65 to 74%, very good B 54 to 64%, good C 40 to 54%, average D 0 to 40%, scope of improvement. Lakshmi Chaudhary, subject periodic term 10, notebook, sub enrichment, half yearly, total grade, periodic test 2, notebook, sub enrichment, yearly, total grade, term 1, term 2, total 100 mark grade. English, Hindi, maths, science, social science, Sanskrit, GK, total percentage. Congratulations, you have been promoted to 8 Springdale. Remarks. Lakshmi works towards achieving better grades, set higher goals and strive to achieve them. Grade scale for scholastic areas. Grades are awarded on a 8-point grading scale as follow: 91 to 100 A1, 81 to 90 A2, 71 to 80 B1, 61 to 70 B2, 51 to 60 C1, 41 to 50 C2, 33 to 40 D, 32 and below needs improvement E. Course detail for BA ECH, BA Economics, Bachelor of Arts, Honors Economics, all semesters. Book. Course detail for B, BA ECH, Bachelor of Arts, Honors Economics, all semester books. Environmental studies, introductory microeconomics, introductory microeconomics, mathematical methods for economics 2, mathematical methods for economics 1, English communication skills, general psychology 6, governance issue and challenges 6, total 44. Program guide BA Honors Economics. Part 1 program details. BA Economics Honors. Type of courses is as follow. 1. Core course CCs, 14 courses of 6 credit each, 84 credits. Discipline specific activity DSEs, 4 course of 6 credits each, 24 credits. Ability enhancement compulsory course AE CCs, 2 courses for credits, 8 credits. Skill enhancement course SECs, 2 course, 4 credits, 8 credits. General elective GEs, 4 credits, 6 credits, 24 credits. Structure of BA Economics Honors batch. Semester first core books, discipline specific, ability skill enhancement, generic, credit 22. Semester 1 core course B is CC 101 introductory microeconomics, BECC 102 mathematical methods for economics 1, discipline specific non, ability skill enhancement, environmental studies, generic, Indian society images and realities, credit 22. term introductory. 2. Introductory microeconomics, mathematical methods for economics. Second, non anyone, English communication, Hindi भाषा और संपर्सन, governance issue and challenges. 22. Third, intermediate microeconomics 1, intermediate microeconomics 1, statistical method for economics, non developing emotional competence, e-governance. 28. Intermediate microeconomics 2, intermediate microeconomics 2, introductory economics, non data analysis, sustainable development. 28. 5. Indian economy 1, development economy 1, economics of health and education, environmental economics, non 24. 6. Indian economy 2, development economics 2, applied economics, financial economics, non 24. 21. Core courses, CC. The program has 14 core courses. All these are discipline specific and are distributed over all the 6 semesters. Each core course is of 6 credits. Over 14 courses. These courses cover a total 84 credits for out of 148 credits of the program. 2.2 elective courses. These are discipline specific elective courses offered in the 5th and 6th semester of the program. These courses are also of 6 credit each. The discipline specific elective DSE are specialized course and are meant to provide an extended knowledge of the discipline. They are applied in nature, in which the foundation knowledge derived from the core courses are applied to specific field like health, environment, finance, etc. The program has 4 DSEs, 2 courses to be studied in each of the 2 semester. In the 3rd year of the program, they are 24 credits. Weight 4 into 26 credit. The specific DSEs are shown in table 2.1 above. Including these 4 DSEs, the total number of courses of economics discipline alone studied by you are 18 and are a total of 108 credit in the program. The remaining courses that you would study are from other discipline and are mean to give you exposure in interdisciplinary perspective. These are outlined below. 2.3 ability skill enhancement course. You have two ability enhancement course EEC on each of first and second semester of the first year and third of your 3 years program. These are meant to enhance your language communication skills and provide awareness on the improvement of environment. Likewise, you will study two skill enhancement courses, SECs, one each of the third and the fourth semester of your second year program. While the course you would study in the third semester develops your emotional competence. The course you would study in the fourth semester develops your compi- computational skills. The course title are available in table 2.1 above. 2.4 Generic electives. Fee structure and schedule of payment. 2.2 Generic electives. Fee structure and schedule of payment. Schedule for re-registration. The program fee has been paid at the beginning of each year by online mode only by means of debit card or credit card. Instructional systems. Self-learning materials, audio-visual programs transmitted through radio and television, teleconferencing sessions, face-to-face counseling and study centers by academic counselors, assignment tutorials, practical dissertation project work. 5.1 course materials. Dispatch of materials. 5.2 academic counseling. 5.3 study center counseling. Evaluation of assignment. Information and advices. Interaction with follow learners. Interactive radio counseling. ज्ञान दर्शन, ज्ञानवाणी, टेलीकॉन्फ्रेंस, EDU SAT, evaluation, letter grade, numerical grade, percentage. O outstanding 10, percentage more than equal to 85. A plus excellent, A plus excellent 9, more than equal to 75 to less than 85. A very good, B good, B above average, C average, D pass, F full, AB absent. Assignment. Whichever detail you need, you can stop video and read yourself. Specific instruction for tutor marked assignment TMA. Course code and assignment code may be reproduced from the assignment. Term and examination. Submission of online examination fee. Examination fee and mode of payment. Examination fee, mode of payment. Hall ticket for term and examination. Examination date sheet. Early declaration of result. Re-evaluation of examination scripts. Improvement in division class. Improvement in permissible in TE only and not in practical lab courses, project workshop, assignments, seminars, tutorial, etc. Obtaining photocopy of answer scripts. While communication with the university regarding examination, please write your enrollment number and complete address clearly. In the absence of each detail, the student evaluation division will not be able to attend to your problems. Other useful information: scholarship and reimbursement of fee. Change in medium. Change or correction in address. Change of study center. Change of regional center. Issue of duplicate grade card mark sheet. Issue of duplicate degree certificate. Readmission. Simultaneous registration. Migration certificate. Refund of fee. Dispute on admission and other university matters. Some useful address. Part 2 syllabus of courses. 1 core courses. 1 introductory microeconomics 6 credit. Two mathematical method in economics 1 BECC 102 6 credit. 3 introductory microeconomics BECC 103 6 credit. 4 mathematical method in economics 2 6 credit. 5 intermediate microeconomics 1 6 credit. 4 intermediate microeconomics 1 6 credit. 6 intermediate microeconomics 1 6 credit. 7 statistical method for economics BECC 107 6 credit. 8 intermediate microeconomics 2 6 credit. 9 intermediate microeconomics 2 6 credit. 10 introductory econometrics econometrics 6 credit. 11 Indian economic 1 6 credit. 12 development economics 1 6 credit. You can stop the video and read this all unit, like there is book 1 growth and development, unit 1 concepts, indicators and measurement, unit 2 international comparison. Like this you need to read all book 2, book 3, book 4 of all courses. You need to stop video and read whichever you need. So this was 12 development economics first 6 credit. 13 Indian economic 2 6 credits. 14 development economics 2 6 credit. You can read all these topics, like unit 1 demographic concepts. You can take out materials from website also, and you can watch video also, but make sure after discussion you must discuss and submit your assignment at least 1 week earlier of last day. Other it may be some problem, because after time passed, you will not be allowed to submit assignment. 2 discipline specific electives. 1 economics of health and education 6 credit. 2 applied economics 6 credit. 3 environmental economics 6 credit. 4 financial economics 6 credit. 4 financial economics 6 credits. 3 ability skill enhancement course environmental studies. This is the interesting book. You need to study topic by topic, unit by unit, and after reading each unit you make note and discuss with the family member or anyone. 3. Environmental issues and concerns. 182. English communication skills. See, there is English communication skills, and it will improve only when you discuss. If you will not discuss, your English communication will not improve. हिंदी भाषा और संप्रेषण. Developing emotional competence. This is also important topic. Data analysis for credits. Syllabus. 3. General electives. Indian society, images and realities, 6 credit. Governance issues and challenges, 6 credits. Governance issues and challenges, 6 credits. This is syllabus. E-governance, 6 credits. This is e-governance syllabus. Sustainable development, 6 credits. Sustainable development is also very important, very interesting topic. 6 credits. So as you have seen that reading, writing, speaking, presentation skills is very important for all of you, and all these skills can improve only by reading, writing and speaking as much as possible. So start reading, writing, discussion as much as possible. Best of luck for your future.